बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल आल टू लर्न। आज की इस वीडियो में हम पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन की तरफ से जो पीएमएस में जनरल नॉलेज का पेपर हुआ था 2009 में, वो हम सॉल्व करेंगे। मुकम्मल पेपर हल करेंगे हम। तो वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, साथ बेल नोटिफिकेशन लाजमी दबाएं ताकि आपको फ्यूचर वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। In 2009, the world celebrated 200th birthday anniversary of the scientist Charles Darwin. BIN is the intelligence agency of Indonesia. Science of human races is called anthropology. American president's special envoy to the Middle East is George John Mitchell. Aramco is ऑयल कंपनी ऑफ सऊदी अरेबिया। क्वेश्चन नंबर जो 4 है, आप इसका जो करंट होगा स्पेशल एनवाय टू मिडल ईस्ट, वो आप अपडेट कर लें, गूगल से सर्च कर लें कि अभी कौन सा है, क्योंकि ये 2009 का पेपर है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, तेंज इज द करेंसी ऑफ काजाकिस्तान। चेन्नई इज़ न्यू नेम ऑफ इंडियन सिटी मदारस। वर्ल्ड बैंक प्रेसिडेंट इज़ जिम योंग किम, ये भी आप कंफर्म कर लें। आसियाना एयरलाइन इज़ साउथ कोरिया। कैलिफोर्निया इज़ नोन एज सिलिकॉन वैली बिकॉज ऑफ कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्री सेलिब्रेटेड 50 ईयर ऑफ कम्युनिस्ट रेवोल्यूशन 2009? क्यूबा। Which of the following Central Asian state in 2009 closed down American air base at Manas, Kyrgyzstan? Seattle is seaport of USA. Kerry Lugar Act aimed at providing to Pakistan an annual economic assistance of 1.5 billion में भी ये 11 सालों में इंक्रीज़ हो गया। तो आप इसका डेटा कर लें अपडेट, क्योंकि मैंने न्यू इसमें नहीं लिखा, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन जैसे था मैं वैसे सॉल्व किया है। कार्लोस क्वेब इज़ द फाउंडर ऑफ वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम। द नोबेल पीस प्राइज 2008 हैज़ बीन अवार्डेड टू मर्ती Tishari for his effort in conflict resolution on different countries. He is former president of Finland. Chronometer is used to measure time. Why Black Sea is called the dense fog that prevails there in water. The Muslims of Mandino Island are struggling for the political right in Philippines. Likud and Kadima are two main political parties of इनमें से किसी कंट्री की नहीं है। 3 जॉर्ज डैम प्रोजेक्ट इज़ लोकेटेड इन चाइना। ब्लू हाउस इज़ ऑफिशियल रेजिडेंस ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ साउथ कोरिया। अंडर द प्रपोज लॉ इनहेंस पार्टनरशिप विद पाकिस्तान एक्ट, द यूएस वुड एस्टैब्लिश कंस्ट्रक्शन अपॉर्चुनिटी जोन इन द ट्राइबल एरिया ऑफ पाकिस्तान। विच पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी इज़ मोर प्रोन टू डैमेज फ्राम हेपेटाइटिस वायरस? लिवर। What do you understand by term brain drain? Migration of skilled labor on to other countries. The idea of Asian Europe Meeting Organization was initiated in 1994 by Mr. Goh Chok Tong, the Prime Minister of Singapore. Which of the following international organization was established first? OIC. The famous resolution which came to know as Pakistan Resolution was removed by Maulvi Fazlul Haq and passed unanimously in 1940. Nippon is the stock exchange market of Tokyo. Khar is main town of Bajor Agency. The world's oldest national anthem is of Japan. Hamas was founded in 1987 by Sheikh Ahmad Yassin. Which of the following leader was recently elected as head of 53 members of African Union? Idris Deby of Chad. Who is called father of computer? Charles Babbage. Which of the P5 countries in the UN Security Council has exercised veto power at the maximum time so far? Russia. The world's largest foreign exchange reserve, almost 2 trillion, are of China. In computer, CPU stand for Central Processing Unit. The biggest bird is ostrich. 3rd May each year is observed internationally as Press Freedom Day. Human rights organization Human Rights Watch is based on New York. WR, HWR, HRW. Which of the following UN agencies have received Nobel Peace Prize? All of these: ILO ने भी, UNICEF ने भी, UNHCR ने भी. Almost 40% of the world oil supply pass through the Strait of Hormuz. The famous city Waterloo is in Belgium. Which of the following Gulf state has recently donated 320 megawatt was gas-fired power plant to Pakistan UAE? Who was Hampton Karkare, Indian anti-terror squad chief killed during 2008 Mumbai attack? Which of the following film has won 8 Oscar awards in ceremony on 23rd February 2009? Slumdog Millionaire. Israel brutal attack on Gaza started on 27 December 2008, killing more than 300 Palestinians. Had been given the name Operation Cast Lead. Pakistan's largest trading partner is China. What is Khmer Rouge? A communist movement in Cambodia. The UN spent the largest amount, almost 8 billion annually, on peacekeeping mission. The oldest internet search engine is Yahoo. The headquarters of IMF located in Washington DC. The main factor attributed to the global financial crisis of 2008 was collapse of housing price and mortgage market in the United States. Karachi nuclear power plant was built with the assistance of Canada. The term hung parliament described the situation in which no single party has majority in the House. Which of the following category of Nobel Prize was not created by Swedish scientist Alfred Nobel? Economics. Which of the following group provinces of Afghanistan share border with Pakistan? Nangarhar, Paktika, Ghazni. Russia supplies natural gas to European countries through the transit state of Ukraine. ITAR TASS is the news agency of Russia. The world's largest subway system is in Moscow. Under the status of forces agreement with the Iraqi government, US intended to remove all troops from Iraq by the end of 2011. Philately is a stamp collection. The world's largest number of newspapers are published from India. The most famous books of 2008, The Way of the World, A Story of Truth and Hope, is an Age of Extremism, has been written by Ron Suskind. Parcel Islands in the South China Sea are distributed between China and Vietnam. National income is essentially composed of total amount of money earned within a country. Fleet Street, London is famous for offices of the newspaper and press agencies. Petra, an archaeological site, is among the new 7 wonders of the world. It is located in Jordan. Marco Polo was a famous traveler. The only vitamin which cannot be stored in human body, vitamin C. Swat Valley is situated in the mountain range of Hindu Kush. 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kg. In which of the following countries 240-year-old monarchy was abolished in 2008? Nepal. Which of the following country first introduced paper currency in the world? China. An anemometer is an instrument used for measuring wind speed. British East India Company was established during the reign of Mughal Emperor Jahangir. The International Criminal Court of Justice has recently issued arrest warrant of one of the following sitting president of the country committing war crime. He is President of Sudan, Umar al-Bashir. Pakistan and Afghanistan have transit trade agreements signed in 1950. What do you understand by the disease insomnia? Inability to sleep. On which of the following issues Arab-Israel peace process stalled? Shape and seize a future Palestine state of East Jerusalem, fate of 3.5 million Palestine refugees in Arab world. All of these. The world famous Madame Thousand Museum is situated in London, the world's oldest parliament, founded in year 1930 AD. Althing of Ireland. The last king of Afghanistan was Muhammad Zahir Shah. Ornithology is the study of birds. Order of Cloud and Banner is the most prestigious military award of China. Next, the Light movement is the pro-communism movement started in India. What is meant by petticoat government? A government run by women. Which of the following South Asian leader has recently given a proposal to form South Asian Task Force to combat terrorism in the region? Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina of Bangladesh. FIFA World Cup Football 2010 was played in South Africa. The largest perfume producer province of Afghanistan is Nangarhar. Light travel from Sun to Earth is 499.0 seconds. What do you understand by the term Intifada uprising? Which of the following river run through Paris? The Seine. Pearl Harbor is located in America's state Hawaii. Russian citizen American missile defense system deployed in Poland and Czech Republic. Deficiency of vitamin C in human body lead to teeth diseases. Tamils in Sri Lanka were fighting for independent state in the territory of Jaffna. The largest section of the Kurd population is living in Turkey. Kurd. Which of the following is the least free country in view of fewer human rights record as described by US-based organization Freedom House in its annual report 2009? म्यांमार। तो ये था हमारा जीके जो जनरल नॉलेज का पेपर जो 2009 में पीएमएस की तरफ से हुआ था। ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये आपके एफपीएससी की तरफ से एनटीएस की तरफ से जो एग्ज़ाम होते हैं उनमें भी आ सकते हैं। तो वीडियो को बार बार सुने ताकि आपको ये याद हो जाए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी कीजिए। किसी क्वेश्चन के आंसर में आपको डाउट हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में लाजमी बताइएगा। और अगर कोई आंसर अपडेट हो गया हो, जैसे कि 2009 के पेपर है और आप रिसेंट कोई और हेड हो या कोई और अनवाय हो तो आप उसका आंसर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अपना ख्याल रखिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।